Hi, I'm Eric, creator and founder of Bumblechutes, and today I want to introduce 3 separate products that will be best suited for whatever project you're trying to tackle. So let's start off with the dual action citrus solvent. This is an amazing thinner and degreaser. Whether you're trying to clean the range in your kitchen or thin oils in your shop, this one product is going to be amazing for whatever project you're trying to tackle. We come in different sizes with it, whether it's the 16 ounce, the 8 ounce, but then we also have a 2 ounce for your smallest of projects. And with it, it's an extremely thin viscosity. So here I'll put some in a glass so you can see. We have a very pure and natural formula, and you can see it really looks like water. But what's great with it, no harmful fumes or chemicals, it's completely all natural and everything's recyclable. So this is the dual action citrus solvent. All right, so next is going to be our stung oil. It's one ingredient, pure polymerized tung oil. This stuff is amazing, completely all natural, and what's great is because it's polymerized, it takes the cure time of a raw tung oil of roughly a month, 30 days, all the way down to about 3 days. And this stuff is thick, it's amazing. And it comes in our 32 ounce container, but then also we have it in a 16 ounce container. So the 16 ounce will cover about 150 square feet, so double that for the 32 ounce, so about 300 square feet. But what's really key, thin coats are your friends, and that's what you're gonna wanna do when you're applying this. And I'll show you how thick it is as we pour it into this glass here. You'll see it's very much like a honey, very thick consistency. And that's something that you have to thin it out for some projects, so you can either use our citrus solvent to thin it out, and that's what a lot of people do is to get the proper ratio of whatever you're looking for the viscosity. So if you're working with a more dense type of wood, maybe you want to have a thinner consistency, so you use a little bit more of the citrus solvent. And then maybe for more of a top coat, you'd want to use more of the stung oil. But this is the stung oil, which is a pure polymerized tung oil. And the third product I want to talk about is our all-natural wood finish. This is an amazing blend of our stung oil, but then also our citrus solvent, and we add an organic gum rosin that helps with the durability properties of the finish. But instead of having to buy numerous products, we wanted to come with our best solution, and that's what we call our all-natural wood finish. So this has the citrus solvent, the polymerized tung oil called our stung oil, and an organic gum rosin. It comes in both a 32 ounce container as well as our 16 ounce container. And with that, the 16 ounce container covers about 150 square feet, and the 32 ounce container covers roughly 300 square feet. And you can see because of our blend that is a lot thinner than the polymerized tung oil that we use with the stung oil, as I pour it here into this container, it's quite a bit thinner, which makes it a lot easier to spread for whatever project you're looking to do. So with that, I'm going to show you how to apply it here. We'll put it on this cutting board that we have. Any type of wood, people even use it in different masonry type of projects as well. But what's really important are the thin coats. So you can use a rag or any type of clean cloth, and then you really want to just wipe it on. And I like to go in circular motions, but what's important is that you can really get every inch of the wood. And like I said, thin coats is really important because what you're going to want to do is after you have covered all the wood, you're going to want to let it soak in for no more than 5 or 10 minutes or so, and then wipe away all the excess. And then in between coats, you're going to want to have the tung oil cure. So as it's curing, that's what's going to give you the waterproofing element of it. That's going to give you the durability aspect of it. And really, to make sure that happens, it is a reaction that happens with oxygen. And that's how this finish actually cures. It is completely all natural. It has no harmful fumes or chemicals. And once it's cured, it is food safe. So to make sure that it's cured properly, that's where you're going to want to do really nice thin coats. And you can see here that this wood is really soaking it up nicely. And from there, you just like to have 12 hours in between coats, and then in another 12 hours from now, I'd reapply after I wiped it dry. And then after your final coat, give it a solid 2 to 3 days, and then you'll be able to use it, and that'll be the full cure time. So in between coats, 12 hours. After your final coat, it'll be about 72 hours. This has been the citrus solvent, the stung oil, and our all-natural wood finish. Thanks for watching.